Welcome back to Triple R, my friends. Some could even point out that I could welcome myself back. But here we are back together again. One of my favorite cities to visit in the United States is Miami. And my husband and I just recently celebrated an anniversary, so we took a vacation to Miami. And while we were there, we ate at one of the best restaurants and hardest reservations to get, and that restaurant is Carbone. Carbone was a restaurant that was started in Manhattan, in Greenwich Village actually, by Mario Carbone. And it became so wildly popular that it now has several global locations. This recipe is all about technique, and I'm going to teach you that technique right now. Start with one medium-sized sweet onion, and we're going to grate this onion on this box grater. While we do that, I thought maybe I would fill you in on where I've been, what I've been up to, if you're interested. If not, just skip past. Like many Americans, this has been a very challenging year for me. And if I'm being perfectly honest, it sort of seemed kind of trivial for me to sit here and teach you how to make penne alla vodka from Carbone or any other recipe. Then I realized that there's not much outside of my little circle of influence that I can control. And I thought that maybe this is what people need right now, is perhaps a distraction or just some comfort food, an opportunity for you to sit around the table with your family and your loved ones and your friends. So this is my little contribution, I suppose. It might not be much to you, and believe me, I understand if it's not. But maybe if at the end of the day, it's just a way for me to feel a little better. And I just want you all to know that I truly love you, and I'm very grateful to all of you. And thank you for everybody who stayed with me, even in my absence. And to all of my new viewers, welcome to the family. Enough of that mopey shit. I gotta get my mojo back somehow. Okay, so now we're gonna do 4 large garlic cloves, and we're gonna grate that as well using a microplane grater. If I can get this garlic head open. Jeez. Using my microplane grater here, I'm just gonna go ahead and grate the 4 garlic cloves right into the onion, because they go into the sauce at the same time, so you don't need to dirty up another dish. This is basically kind of a one-pot dish, so get yourself a nice big skillet, turn the heat on to medium high, and then once the pan heats up, add about 3 tablespoons of a really nice extra virgin olive oil. This Cobra Estate is my new favorite. And a touch more there. Once the olive oil begins to shimmer, go ahead and drop in your onions and your garlic. Carbone sauce has a very smooth and sweet backbone that comes from these translucent onions. If you find that your onions are beginning to brown, just add a little water in there to stop the browning process. You want to let this go, stirring often for about 10 minutes. Next, you want to add 1 28-ounce can San Marzano style tomatoes. We're eventually going to use an immersion blender on this, so you just want to make sure that you just kind of chop them up here. Next, you want to add an entire tube of tomato paste. Now here's the secret ingredient, chopped Calabrian peppers, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of the peppers. Add a little bit more if you want that extra kick. I'm going to add 2 pinches of kosher salt, a few cranks of cracked black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of demerara sugar. Now bring the sauce to a very gentle simmer for about 15 minutes, and you're going to want to stir it often, of course, so that it doesn't burn. Now turn your heat to medium and add 1/3 of a cup of vodka. Next, add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, and get out your immersion blender. Add in 1 pound of rigatoni pasta that's been cooked al dente. And finally finish it with some grated pecorino romano cheese. Okay, I'm going in. That's it. That is it. All right, my friends, I'm glad to be back. Glad to see you all again. And as always, if you happen to have a restaurant or a recipe that you'd like me to feature, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. But make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell so that when your recipe comes up, you'll be notified. And until I see you all again, my friends, make it an awesome, awesome day. Cheers. I love you all more than you know.